Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. And starting off, we'll need to power off the device by pulling the notification panel and selecting the power off menu right over here. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, hold power key and volume up. So both keys at the same time. And there we go, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you can navigate through this menu. And whatever you select, you will then need to confirm with power key. And as you can see, you can reboot the device from here, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run some tests, power off, and repair app, which not really sure what that last option does, never seen it before actually. But it kind of sounds self-explanatory. So, like I said, whatever we select, you will then confirm with power key. So I'm gonna choose reboot system now to go back to Android. So power key to confirm that, and there we go. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.